I will never let my dog suffer in silence after learning this. First things first, let's create a cozy, safe space. Find a quiet, comfy corner where your furry buddy can retreat during all that ruckus. Just like we need our cozy nooks, they need theirs too. Next, bring in those calming tools. Anxiety vests can work wonders, and don't forget about calming music or pheromone diffusers. Sometimes the right environment makes all the difference. And y'all, remember to stay calm yourself. Your dog takes cues from you, so if you're relaxed and reassuring, they're more likely to be too. Patience is key, folks. Give your dog time to adjust to those loud noises. It might not happen overnight, but with love and care, they can feel safe and sound. Tap like, hit subscribe, and share these tips with fellow dog owners. Let's make sure all our pups feel safe and loved. See y'all next time.